Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's review slash tutorial is going to be on the BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection Palette in Smoke. So this is what it looks like inside. Aren't these colors gorgeous? But enough, because I know you just want to watch the video, the tutorial and review. Keep watching. Okay, so the first color that I'm going to use as the highlighter is going to be this one right here, which is like a taupe. Once I put it on, I really didn't like it as a highlighter color. I felt it was too dark, but the damage had already been done. And then underneath that, I don't really remember, but I think I put this one right here, which is like a muted gray. I think that's what I put on. We'll see. No, that wasn't it. Oh, damn. Because it's too dark. I think what I put on was this one right here, which is another matte color. Let's see how I'm going to fix this. Blending it in. I'm going to go over it with the first color I put on, the highlighter color. That's not going to work when I go in with the other color. It's going to have to do, let me see. All right. So I'm going to go in with this one now. Let's see what it looks like. If it looks almost like the other one. Not that bad. Sorry, guys. So first it was the highlighter color. Then this one. You know what it is? I did this eye color like hours ago. Hours ago. Okay, so right underneath that, in between, I chose this other color. It's like a terracotta, which is also matte. Alright, now we're going to go in with the inner eye, which was this, which is a frosted creamy beige color. And I didn't do it on this eyelid because I didn't do it on the other one, but I regret not cutting the crease, like putting the eye primer on it again, just to blend that color out. It's not as pigmented. Oh, and then after that I'm using this other color, which is also like a terracotta, but it's frosted. Now on the other color, on the other eye, what I did was I did foil it because I don't feel that it was coming out very pigmented. So some good old Visine, it works the same. See how it pops out a little bit more now? For some reason, I had a hard time on the other eyelid to make the color show up. And I'm having the same issue on this eye. So at this point, I'm gonna just let it dry so that I can do a better job at blending it. Next, on the outer eyelid is this matte, like a forest green. It's a very dark green. All right, so now I'm gonna blend it in. I believe it dried. I'm gonna sharpen the edge, and then we're going to begin with the glitter cut grease. Glitter cut crease. So now, the glitter that I'm going to use is from MBA Cosmetics. The name of it is Fire Lust. And I'm gonna go in it with my good old, mix it in with my good old Visine. It wasn't until I started applying it that I realized you can't really see it too much. It's competing with that terracotta in the crease, between the crease in my hair. So it's not really popping. So that was another mistake I did with this look. But mostly I feel my hair. And I'm gonna let it dry, and that's it basically for the look. So I'm going to apply my eyeliner, eyelashes, foundation, all of that, and we'll be right back. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. And for foundation, I used the Maybelline Fit Me. The color is 330 in Toffee Caramel, and the Fit Me Loose Powder in Dark. Oh yeah, before I continue, just in case anybody notices and they want to leave any stupid comments, yes, my foundation does not match. I didn't realize that until I put it on. I went away this weekend to Dominican Republic. I got a little tan, not thinking and realizing you're no longer the same color. And anyway, I was just making this look just because I wanted to. I'm not going nowhere. It's about 9:30 p.m. here in New York. Okay, so moving right along. For blush and highlighter, I used the Sephora palette Spice Market blush. This right here, I use this for blush, that orange, and then this gold for highlighter. And lastly, for lipstick, I use the NYX in 12. This is the Full Throttle lipstick. I'm not sure, but I believe it was going to be discontinued. Okay, so let's focus on the palette. So this is how it comes. It's 15 colors, and it is plastic. Comes with a full-size mirror. Love that. And these are the colors. I love the whole color scheme. You know, you have your neutrals here, and then this blue and this gray, and this is like a eggplant purple. For 1, 2, 3, aside from those 4 colors, I love them all. I don't really care for those colors in this palette, but it is what it is. But anyway, so in terms of the colors, so I mean, you get a little kickback. That doesn't really bother, you know, it doesn't really hinder the application. It just that it wastes more. That's it. In terms of quality, I want to say that it's not that great. I had to work with the colors, especially with this middle one. That's why I foiled it, which is this terracotta frosted color. That dark green that I use on the outer corner, like a swatch. I'm not even gonna swatch it because it's always different, but it just doesn't come out that dark as it is in the pan. In my eyes, it just, I don't see that dark. Now the other colors, it worked well, but I don't know, like I said, I feel like they're not that heavily pigmented, and it's a shame because this is such a beautiful palette. Even though I said that there were 4 colors that I didn't care for, I just don't like how they all combine with these other warm neutral colors. But still, I mean, you can still create a look with it, but it's still a beautiful palette. And I don't know what the retail was. I'll put the price down below, and I know I got it at like a 40% discount, but I was a bit disappointed. But I'm saying too much but-ums, and that's only because I'm like, I mean, it's a palette that I wouldn't have a problem hitting pan on it. I would definitely continue to reuse it. Yeah, that's it. So it gets like a B minus, and that's pretty high. A B minus. I'm gonna give it a B minus, even in terms of quality. And I did this color after maybe 3-4 hours after having done this eye, maybe 5, and it's lasted a pretty long time. So because of that, I didn't even retouch it after I did this one. Because of that, I guess, yeah, a B minus. You just have to work a little harder at achieving the color as it looks here. But yeah, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this review and the eye color tutorial. Don't forget to rate and subscribe. I think I've learned that the subscribe button is down here, my right, your left. I'll make sure to make notice of that when I edit the video again. I think it's down here, but if it isn't, it's definitely down here. So subscribe. Don't forget to share the love, share the video, and as always, don't forget to unleash the makeup on inside of you. Ciao, guys.